Home Remedies presents 2 simple juice recipes that will replace diabetes medication. Why not choose to feel good, look good and live well and longer? There are 2 main types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Both types of diabetes are chronic diseases that affect the way your body regulates blood sugar or glucose. Glucose is the fuel that feeds your body's cells, but to enter your cells, it needs a key. Insulin is that key. People with type 1 diabetes don't produce insulin. You can think of it as not having a key. People with type 2 diabetes don't respond to insulin as well as they should, and later in the disease often don't make enough insulin. You can think of it as having a broken key. Here are 2 juice recipes to help you take charge of your health and your life. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Spinach and celery juice. Ingredients: all organic. 3 handful of spinach, 1 green apple, 1 cucumber, 2 celery stalks with leaves, 1 carrot. Procedure: wash and peel the carrot and apple and get rid of the core of the apple. Mix the carrot and apple along with spinach and celery. Place all the ingredients in a blender or food processor and whip until smooth. Why it works: spinach contains magnesium, a mineral that regulates blood sugar levels. Celery is rich in potassium, necessary for carbohydrate metabolism. Why green apple? The fiber in green apple doesn't break down as readily as in other varieties of apple, promoting the elimination of toxins, supporting healthy bacteria growth in the digestive system, and promoting weight loss. Grape and orange juice. Ingredients: all organic. This recipe will make 4 servings to share with friends and should be drunk immediately after blending. To make 1 serving, quarter the recipe. Half cup fresh black grape juice, 3/4 cup apples finely chopped, preferred green apples, 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 1 cup orange pieces finely chopped. Procedure: combine all the ingredients in a blender or food processor and mix on high until smooth. Why it works: red grapes skins contain anthocyanin, a flavonoid antioxidant that has been found to decrease risk of developing diabetes. The other ingredients provide lots of vitamin C, which prevents sugar from accumulating in the kidneys, fiber and flavor. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.